Hello, Chef here. Today I'm making a recipe for you. This is 3-pepper chicken. 1, 2, 3. But seriously, we're going to be using green peppercorns. I've got a whole bunch of them right here. We're going to be using some Hungarian paprika pepper. We're going to be using some butcher's black pepper, as well as sea salt. I'm going to throw in one more thing into the mix, and that is fresh lavender. Okay, I got this beautiful chicken right here. First thing we got to do, break it down. Okay, to break down this chicken, we're going to quickly cut it into 8 pieces using a cleaver today. So you want to open it up like this, go right down the breastbone like that, open it up. Oh yeah, you can see it now, looking really good. Want to remove the backbone. Go on the left and on the right, and this of course goes in your chicken stock. Okay, just like that, backbone comes out. All right, and then we continue to break down the pieces like this. Okay, so there we go, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then on this particular one, I'm going to leave some of the breast meat on the wing here between the leg and the thigh. Okay, and repeat. Okay, on this particular recipe, I decided the breast is a little large. I'm going to cut the breast in half, right down the middle. It's going to cook faster, just like that, okay? Now, I've got a nice roasting pan. All the chicken gets tossed in the pan. And once we have all this nice chicken in here, we're going to coat it with the spices. Just like this. Salt, just enough to coat. That's good. Pepper, 1 tablespoon. Paprika, 1.5 tablespoons. Peppercorns, 3, plus just a few more. Okay, all this gets tossed together, and we're going to roast this in the oven approximately 400 degrees Fahrenheit until it's done. And I'm adding the lavender very carefully. The finished chicken, looking really, really good. Thought I'd share that with you. It's nice and juicy. It's all done. Lots of pepper fragrance coming off of it there. If you're not sure if your chicken's done, obviously use one of these thermometers and check each piece, check the larger pieces. I can tell you just by looking at this, it's completely done. It's looking good. So please like, share, support your sponsor, click that little thumbs up, and have a great day. Okay, I'm serving the chicken with a little bit of this bean relish. We've got some corn and tomatoes and different beans in there. A touch of pesto on the plate, just to complement the chicken. A little bit of pesto. And we're going to go with a couple pieces of this chicken like this. There we go, there's 1. And there is 2. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support the sponsor, keep cooking, have a beautiful day.